In today's video, I'll be showing you how you can auto sell using the Trojan bot on Solana. Now, if you've never used Trojan bot for yourself, I'll actually include an invitation link in the video description down below. And if you click on that link, you'll get redirected to Telegram where you can start using the bot today. Now, in order to auto sell, you must actually have a position open. And as you can see here, I bought this coin called Euro24. So in order to auto sell, I'd actually have to go ahead and click sell right here. And from there, it now opens this sell interface. So in order to auto sell, we're going to be using limit orders. So we want to look for where it says swap here. And just to the right of that, we'll be able to find this button which says limit, which we can click. And it will then change from swap to limit. Now a limit order basically means that you can sell at a set price of your choice. And as we can see right now, the current price is 0.0019 or 1,900,000 market cap. So what I can do is go down to trigger price, and we now have to enter in a sell trigger price or percentage change. I could type in 100% and click enter, and as you can see here, it now sets the trigger price to double what the price is now because I set it to 100%. So it's currently 0.017 because the price has changed. However, if it doubled and went up to 0.003, it would sell once we've created this order. So we then have to choose how many tokens we want to sell. So if we wanted to sell all of our tokens after it's gone to this price, we can have this set to 100% here. Now, if you wanted to choose a set amount, you can click this pen button here, and you can choose whatever percentage you want. So if you wanted to choose 95%, for example, you could type 95%, and it would now set that to 95% here. However, I'm going to leave it on 100. From there, you can choose the slippage, and personally, I wouldn't have it too high because you may end up getting sandwiched. So I'm going to click here to change it, and I'm now going to change mine to 10. So you then want to look over your limit order and make sure it's all correct. So here I'll be selling 100% of my tokens with 10% slippage when it hits this price. Now you can also set an expiry so that this don't last forever. And currently it's set to 1 day, but you can click that and you can change it to whatever time you want. That could be seconds, minutes, hours, or even days. Once you've got that all ready, you can go ahead and click create order, and it will then create the order for this coin. We can now see our limit order here. And if we need to see our limit orders in the future, we can type /start. And from there, we find the limit orders button here, which we can click, and we can now see our active limit orders. And if we ever wanted to delete this, we could simply click close, and we can now click start again. And as you can see, it's now removed our limit order. So that's how you can auto sell using Trojan bot on Solana. I hope you found this video helpful, and thanks for watching.